Hey there, Carl Gwynn at La Mesa RV. Hey, we just got out of our sales meeting. The doors are about to open at the RV show. And in the sales meeting, management told me this is the discount of the entire RV show. This has got the largest discount in a percentage. Take a look at this coach. Okay, this is a Fleetwood Discovery LXE 40M floor plan. Just going to show you down the side the colors on this thing, and I'll get into a little bit of a walk around. I'm not going to spend a lot of time, just a quick little tour. Factory fresh coach, and this is on the Freedom Bridge chassis. Freedom Bridge chassis. If you know American Coach uses the Freedom Bridge chassis. The LXE here is loaded. Here's your surge guard, surge protector. Every high-end motorhome has that. Notice 2 slide-out trays. Completely lit in the basement, climate controlled basement. You're going to have heat down in here. Notice the power coming into the door, central locking from up above, outdoor TV, and it's a smart TV, outdoor refrigerator or freezer, your choice. More importantly, it is a 40M LXE Freedom Bridge chassis. You're going to love this. Now, MSRP $594, discount for the RV show $254, $339, $998. This coach is in wonderful condition, factory fresh, liquid crystal dash, engine brakes, Android Auto, disappearing TV, high performance soundbar up above, fireplace that does heat. Theater seats built in. These are power on each side. This is a magnetic lock. One hand. Look at the kitchen galley here. Now I love the landscape window. Dishwasher. A true farm style sink. This does pull out. This is also a computer workstation, place for your keyboard. You can put your monitor up above. Pantry pulls out both sides, top and bottom. Those are adjustable. Brand new electronics, and I just noticed mobile app. You can put this, scan this with your phone, put in your code, and you can operate the slide outs and everything from your telephone. Check out the master suite. King size bed tilts up and away, giving you plenty of floor plan out here. Look at the bathroom here. Dual vanities, tons and tons of storage. Look at the shower. And it is equipped with the shower miser. So great shower system. Notice the shower miser is lit up blue. That's telling me the hot water is ready to go. Somebody had my hot water system on this coach. Place to sit down if need be. Put shampoo bottles. Porcelain toilet, tons and tons of storage. One thing I want to point out on Fleetwoods, notice they line everything. That helps eliminate road noise transferring from the road up into the cockpit or into the house of the motorhome. All real tile, heated tile floors. This is a bath and a half floor plan. Here's your half bath. And we also have a hide-a-loft bed. So this comes down, see the 2 little black things, your ladder's gonna hook onto that, but this comes down and sits right on top of the driver and passenger seat. Anyway, Carl here at La Mesa RV. Feel free to reach out to me. My contact information's down below. Again, this is Carl in the 40M at the RV show up in Westworld.